How to activate Bank of America debit card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate Bank of America debit card. For this, launch open any web browser and head over to bankofamerica.com. Then on the left hand panel, you want to enter your user ID. Now enter your password. Check this box that says save user ID if you want these details to be remembered. Now click on the login option. In case you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on this link in order to retrieve your user ID or reset your password. Now, once you have been logged into your account, you want to navigate to the debit card section. There, you want to click on the activate debit card option. Now, you will have to enter all the details such as the card number and expiration date. Then, follow the on-screen prompts, and after that, your Bank of America debit card will be activated. Once it has been activated, you will receive the notification via SMS or email. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.